Luxembourg Work Country Visa Process 2024. Luxembourg Country Work Visa with an economy worth 75 billion US dollars, population of less than 650,000 people. Luxembourg still remains the richest country in the world per capita. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you and your family can easily relocate to the richest country in the world. You do not need to have English language proficiency test for you to move to this country. There is no age limit. You will be able to get your visa within 7 working days. If you move to Luxembourg and live and work there after 5 years, you will be able to get passport. And once you have citizenship in Luxembourg, you will be able to take your parents with you. 80% of the people in Luxembourg speak perfect English. 47% of the people in Luxembourg are foreigners. Luxembourg is regarded as one of the safest countries on earth to live in. If you move to Luxembourg, you will be able to travel around Europe to countries like Germany, France, Belgium, and all the countries that make up the EU. In case you are unsure where Luxembourg is located, it's next to Germany, France, and Belgium. It has 3 official languages. It's Luxembourg, French, and Germany. As I said before, 80% of its citizens speak perfect English. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I will show you a list of agencies in Luxembourg that have a track record of recruiting workers from abroad, and I will show you how you can easily get a job offer from your home country. In order to move to Luxembourg, you only need to have a job offer from an employer that is based in Luxembourg. Once you have a job offer, the employer will need to register the offer of employment with the National Employment Agency and give you a contract that you sign. You then have those 2 documents. Include your passport, which must be valid for a minimum of 6 months. You need to have police clearance and your health insurance to show that you're fit and well. Once you have those 5 documents, if Luxembourg doesn't have an embassy in your home country, one of the EU countries will act on their behalf. Once you submit those 5 documents, passport, offer of a contract of employment, a letter signed by the National Employment Agency, and you have your health and police clearance, you submit it and you pay only 80 euro for the visa fee. You will get your visa within 7 working days. You will be initially get what they call authorization to travel to Luxembourg. And when you get to Luxembourg, that is where you now apply for your D visa, which is 1 year permit. And after 1 year, it will be renewed. Once it's been renewed for 3 years, you apply for permanent resident, and 5 years, you apply for citizenship. It's very, very straightforward. I know a British guy that moved to Luxembourg. After Brexit, he told me, said, I'm not coming back. After living in the US and the UK for more than 21 years, this is one of the countries that I will give serious consideration to move to. That is how much I love this country. If you're seeing my video for the first time, my name is Francis. I do videos to teach people how to migrate to new countries without them needing to spend money on lawyers or agents. The information that I provide you on our video have been rigorously researched by a team of experts. We do not charge you any money to provide this information. The only thing we charge for is the one-to-one consultation, and you are not under any obligation to use the one-to-one consultation. The information that I'm giving you now is enough for you to start your migration journey. Whether you're looking to migrate to the student, skilled or unskilled worker route, the Launch Club will guide you and provide you the information that you need to achieve your migration dream. It is therefore in your best interest to follow us on all our social media platforms. Consider subscribing to Launch Club and make sure you leave your comment on the comment section, because we will always endeavor to respond to your comment. We have a team of experts that look for opportunities for you to achieve your dream, so it is in your best interest to consider subscribing to Launch Club. If you're seeing value for what you're hearing, make sure you consider giving this video a like to encourage myself and the team. So I want to quickly summarize how you can easily get a job in Luxembourg, and I'll show you a practical step of how you can get a job. I've got 2 bonuses for you, so make sure you stick around to the end so you see the bonus that I'm going to leave for you. So all you need is a job offer, so I'm going to show you now how you're going to easily find a job and show you the list of employers and agencies that have a track record of bringing people to come and work in this beautiful country, which is the envy of the world. If you're seeing value for what you're hearing, make sure you consider subscribing and give this video a like. So let me quickly show you now. So this is the easiest way to get a job in Luxembourg. So this company, Hayes Recruitment, is a world-renowned company when it comes to recruiting workers to come and work in Luxembourg. So all we did, we went on their website and we just type in what we're looking for, say engineering. This is what came out, okay? So just hit search there and it came up with this. I'm going to show you how easy it is. So all we did, once you've done that, you just go on details. Here's what it says here with this job. It says, Hayes is looking for a network and system administrator for a client in Luxembourg. Responsibility: you will guarantee the availability and reliability of Windows operating system. You will manage and resolve managing technical and technical difficulties. If you are interested in this job, this is how you apply. You click on apply here. Once you click on apply here, it will ask you, do you want to have an account with Hayes? You set up an account, or you apply through LinkedIn or Indeed. That is how easy it is to apply for that job. Let me quickly show you other jobs now that if you're looking for that job there again, okay, it's very, very straightforward. Say for instance you're looking for an IT job, okay. As you can see, it came up again with IT job. This time around is Scrum. So it says here, it says Scrum, type of contract. You'll be working as a Scrum Master. You will be, of course, expecting you to be familiar with sprint planning and daily stand-up, retrospective, product backlog, user story. We will also expect you to know the difference of role and responsibility between product and owner. The same way to apply for this job, you hit on apply and you apply through either LinkedIn or Indeed. Let me show you another website that you can easily use to get a job in Luxembourg. This website, again, this is another company that is known for Luxembourg. This is called Manpower Recruitment. This company is known all over the world. All over the world. This is a big company. Again, say for instance you're looking for a job in IT here. You just go there, you click on search, it will bring up all the jobs there. Now let's look for a job. If it comes up again, what I really like about this website, you can actually change it to English. It will only show you English, okay? So here it says Europe leading entertainment brand standing an employer looking for a highly capable person to work. It's just giving you the responsibility of all the jobs what you will be doing. If you want to apply for the job, you put your email there, you put your name here. It will ask you for your name. You just put your name there. Once you put your name, you put everything, you hit next, and you'll be able to apply with your CV there. It's very, very straightforward. You just upload your CV, submit application, you apply. Let me show you other jobs again. Let me show you which other jobs you want to check again. Let's check. Let's say, for instance, we are checking for insurance job, okay? Again, the process is very, very straightforward. You put here lady cloud engineer, insurer. It comes up again. You put it, you apply. This agency, Manpower and Haste Recruitment, they are two of the biggest recruitment agency in Luxembourg. I have identified 10 recruitment agencies that have track record of employing foreigners to come and work in Luxembourg. I will leave all their links in the description section for you to use. Go on their website and start looking for a job. Another website that is very, very active in Luxembourg is LinkedIn. If you are not on LinkedIn, you're not ready to start looking for a job. You need to have an active profile on LinkedIn if you are looking for a job abroad. Now, these jobs that we've seen here, these are jobs that we just typed in this evening. The way you can actually even set up alert, which means that every time a job that matches your criteria is released, you will be able to apply for this job. Say, for instance, we want to apply for this job. All we do is we go on here, you click on apply here. Very, very straightforward. You create an account with them and you will be able to submit the job. Easy peasy, not hard at all. Okay, say for instance, if we're looking for this job, this process is very, very simple. LinkedIn, it's a must if you are looking for a job in Luxembourg. Another website that you must also use is URES. URES is the EU website where all the European countries, they all advertise jobs in URES. Okay, don't worry, I'll leave the links there. All you do is that you go on the website, you click on job seeker, you click on the things you're looking for. Say, for instance, you are looking for a computer engineering job, for instance, okay? One thing I like about this job, you can also use this job to look for things like seasonal work. You go on the countries, all the 27 countries that make up EU, they all use this website. So you click on URES, you click on Luxembourg, it will search all the job that has been advertised today. From the last 30 days, it will show them. So this one now is showing us this job has just, as you can see, say new. These are jobs that have just been advertised today in Luxembourg. Say, for instance, we are advertising for the job. This may not be in English, but if you are looking for a job abroad, you have to be strategic. Let me tell you what I mean. Okay, this one is in English. Are you looking forward to taking up a new challenge as a junior and networking engineer? This is the job. If it's not in English, as you can see, I have my Google Translator here. That is where I was able to translate one job. Now, you must have Google Translator if you are looking for a job abroad. If you don't have Google Translator to translate for you, that means, my friend, you're not ready yet. You must have Google Translator. That's a must, especially if the country's official language is not English. It's very, very simple. Let me just quickly show you how you easily translate. All you do is that you put the job there. As soon as you put the job there, you see it translated to you, everything that's been said. So this job now is in English. You don't need to use that. So we'll go back again to the job. Okay, let me show you. Assuming we are looking for a carpenter job, okay, with the same process that we follow, that is how we're still going to follow. As you can see, all the carpenter jobs come up. This time around, I think this one is not in English. This one is not in English. So let's bring it up. It might be in English. Let's see. Okay, now let me show you how easy it is to transfer. This one is not in English, but I'm going to see you how easy it is to transfer to English. You must have this website. You must have Google Translator if you are looking for a job abroad. This is a job that I've just copied and pasted. So I'm just going to quickly show you. This is the carpenter job that has just been advertised this evening, by the way. So you just put the job here. You put it there. It will translate it to you easy peasy. It's telling you must know how to do roofing, you must know how to do you must know how to drive, you must know how to fix construction, work in construction site. If you're interested in this job, please arrange an interview in advance by calling. This is the person you have to call. All these jobs are very easy. These 4 websites and the other 10 websites in Luxembourg, I will leave them on the description section for you to be able to look for a job. I've got a bonus for you. Now this website. I'm going to give you this tool free of charge. Do not apply for any job if you haven't done these two things that I'm going to say now. Number one, this site is called Europass. This site is owned by the 27 countries that make up the EU. You must use this Europass to work on your CV before you apply for any job. Because if your CV is not up to European standard, employers will not call you. So you must use this tool to work on your CV before you start applying for a job. Okay, so I'm going to leave it in the description section of this video. If you're watching me on my Facebook channel, head to my YouTube channel. That is where you'll be able to get this tool on our description section. We cannot leave links on our Facebook page due to Facebook policy. So this tool, you must use it to work. It's a free tool that you can use to work on your CV to European standard. A lot of you don't have CVs that is being formatted to European standard. I'm not here to exploit you. I'm not here to tell you to send me the CV. I'm giving you this tool to go and work on your CV free of charge. Another tool that I want to show you is this tool. This tool is called Job Scan. What it does for you is that it will, once you have finished working on your CV with the other one I showed you before, upload your CV onto this site. If this site scores your CV less than 80%, it means your CV is not good enough for you to be able to get a job. Your CV must be above 80% for an employer to consider you worthy. The reason a lot of you have applied for a job you're not hearing from an employer is because you do not have a CV that sells you straight. Do these two things before you start applying for a job. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Luxembourg is the richest country in the world. Luxembourg, if you go to Luxembourg, you will have the opportunity for you to fulfill your potential. After 5 years of living in that country, you will qualify to apply for passport, and you will be able to take your parents to Luxembourg if you can show that you are their main carer. Do not blow up this opportunity. Use the tool that I'm giving you. If you have seen value for this video, consider subscribing to Launch Club. Share this video with your friends and loved ones. There are opportunities for skilled workers and unskilled workers. Make sure you consider following Launch Club. Subscribe to our channel. Leave your comment in the comment section. And do not forget to give this video a like, to encourage myself and the team for the dedication and the effort that we're putting in to bring this information to you. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. May God bless you. May God let your dream come true. I will see you when I release my next video. God bless.